Welcome back to the Money Show. And people, it's time to take all your stock-related, I beg your pardon, portfolio-related queries answered by our experts. As we know that there are a lot of queries that come to your mind, and if you are concerned about one, then you can write to us on the WhatsApp number that is on your screen, and you can also write to us on the moneyshow@etnow.tv. And to answer the same, today we are being joined by Mr. Pankaj Mathpal. Pankaj, very good evening and thank you so much for your time. Let's quickly get through the queries that we have, and the first query is coming from Sundari. She says that she is planning to invest ₹20,000 as an SIP for the next 5 years in HDFC Defence Fund. So please suggest, can she go ahead with this? What's your outlook on this one?
Srishti, good evening and wishing a very happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Srishti, see this fund, HDFC Defence Fund, it was introduced in June 2023. So in less than 7 months, the scheme has delivered more than 50% return. But at this point of time, when we see that defense stocks are already overvalued, and this scheme has participated in rally, so investing now may be a riskier. And second thing, because as she mentioned, that she wants to invest for next 5 years. So if this is the only fund she's planning to invest, I'll say that she should invest in diversified funds, because this scheme is a thematic fund and has a narrow mandate. But if she has a good amount of investment, a big portfolio, and this is a part of a portfolio, then she can consider investing in this.
All right. Thank you so much, Pankaj, for your wise advice. But the next query is coming from Prasad. And his query is that should he invest in HDFC Balance Advantage Fund at this stage? Because the markets are already hitting their all-time high levels, and his holding is for the next 2 to 3 years. He has 25 lakhs of lump sum investment requirement. What will be your advice for this fund?
Let us say this HDFC Balance Advantage Fund has around 58% allocation in equity. So hybrid funds invest in equity and debt, but if the equity allocation is high, so you can expect volatility in such schemes as well. Now, because the horizon is 2 to 3 years, I don't think this kind of schemes are suitable for this time horizon. If you are planning for 5 years or something like this, then definitely this is a good scheme to invest in. But for 2 to 3 years, I suggest that Prasad can consider a conservative hybrid fund. For example, HDFC Hybrid Debt Fund may be suitable for 2 to 3 years investment horizon.
All right, so that's the advice coming in for Prasad. But Pankaj, we have to wrap this edition of the Money Show. Thank you so much for joining us today and helping all our viewers help with their portfolio-related queries. It was great having you.
Thank you.
But with this, viewers, it's time to wrap this edition of the Money Show. It's a goodbye from me and the entire team who put the show together. Thanks so much for watching.